All right, folks, let's go tie another jig for you guys. I have a secret to tell you guys about these baits here. If you can see in camera here, this is a deadly plastic, man. Don't get me wrong, I fish plastic too because plastic seems to kill a lot of fish. But the only reason I don't like it, I will tell you right now. And I will tell you a secret right now. A lot of people doesn't tell you, but when it tells you and you know how to do it, and then you're just gonna be happy like I am. You see this jig here? You see this? This bait here, my friend, these legs here in the bottom of the tail, this is a killer crappie jig here, man. Destroys everything. Everything. And I fish this a lot, especially this color and this color here. This clear white color with chartreuse color. This is another killer color here. But I was fishing with my friend and my brother a couple of years ago, and I fished the plastics too. Don't get me wrong. I'm not only fishing my jigs, so I'm fishing plastics too. But the only thing that I don't like that after you catch one or two fish, this plastic starts coming off like this, just like that. Even if you have the bar here, you see the bar here. This plastic, after you catch 1, 2, 3 fish, this plastic start coming off, on and off. And this is what happened. You see that? Breaks right away, right here in camera. You see that? Breaks. So what did I do? I talked to my friend. I said, you know what? I want to come up with my own thing. So what did I do? All right. First of all, I want to show you. First of all, let's go put glue into this first. Okay? Let's put a little bit of glue into this. So you want to grab this. I took one piece off from here. You can see here. I took one leg off. So what do? I put some glue here. You take this off. All right. And I have that piece of plastic here. So what do? You want to do is just put a little bit into the hook. Just enough to start tying off this plastic into the hook shank. Just a little bit, not a lot. Okay, just push it all the way back here, just like that. Okay, and then put it into your vise here. Okay, just put it into your vise. Okay, so I put some glue there. Let's go put some a little bit more. It's really easy. It will last you for a long time. All right, I want to use 2 tendonier, in this case red. So I want to start my thread behind the head here. Okay. I want to stop right there and take this off for now. So what you do here, okay? Bring your thread into the plastic, really soft first. It's not going to break, okay? Really soft, okay? After you have it like that, bring another couple wraps, okay? And then just bring your thread behind. And what do? I'll show you. All right, so the plastic is on and it's tied. So what do? You put a lot of glue in through there because the glue is going to hold the thread and it's going to hold the plastic much better than it's being slide off of the hook. Even if you have the bar. Remember I told you that in the beginning of the video. So make sure you wet this really good. So what do? Okay, you want to match as soon as possible this color here. This is like a clear color here, and you see I took a piece here. So as far as I can match the color, I want to go with this. Okay, this is a Stas Polyscent white, but it's got a lot of sparkles. Look at this. Look at this guy here. So this jig here, my friend, if you find this material, buy it. And the only thing is that the fiber is way too slow, but it's gonna make a fat profile there, but it's fine. It's fine, all right? So bring your thread behind, put your chenille right there and tie them up. Tie them up all the way to the back where you just stop tying the plastic, and then just bring your thread behind the head and leave your thread there, okay? So what do? You want to use your ties vise here. Make sure you cover the plastic there. Okay, so keep going. You put enough glue to suck that glue into the material there. Keep going, keep going. I want to stop right there. Make one more wrap and make another wrap. Let's go make another one to make that little bit fat profile here, because if you know the body, I'll show you. 2, 3 wraps. Make another cross, 1, 2, 3 wraps. Just cut this carefully, okay? You see? I'll show you a couple seconds. Let's take the wet finish here, guys, and finish this guy here. And I will explain you for a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And look at that red color in this neck. This color thread here makes the crappies go nuts. When the chartreuse, the strong colors, remember the red represents bleeding. So I use a lot of red thread in my jigs, a lot of red thread. You see that? So here is that thing, all right? You can see there it's got fat profile. So they're trying to imitate this. Pretty much close. The only thing that's more fat is because this lip here. You see the lip here, but the body looks the same. That's what you want, right? And look at that. And this, it will last you for a long time, this guy here. And let me tell you this, guys. If you know how to do this, you know how to tie this, you will kill a lot of crappies, guys. Nobody says anything. Nobody tells you anything. Just want to tell you guys a secret. I hope you guys like it, especially this color with the tail, the head matches the plastic, the body. This color is a killer. Look at this. This guy in the water, my friend. This, I don't know. It's got to be for this, because not because the body of this. It got to be because there's little tiny tails there, but this makes the crappies go nuts with this color here and this tail here. All right, guys, just want to tell you, make a secret, so you're not wasting money buying. Don't get me wrong, catches fish. I'm not saying not catching fish this plastic, but the only thing I don't like is that this piece is keep coming off and on and breaks that really easy. What the crappie's gonna do with this? It's not gonna break that. Maybe for a while we'll bite the tail off, or a bluegill or something, but for now on, this, it will last you for a long time, especially if you put a lot of glue into the thread there and the tail. And this thing, this own job, my friend. This is a killer jig here. All right, guys, I hope you guys like it. Make a comment and see what you guys think. And just give you a little tip there for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make a comment, subscribe my channel, RA Outdoors. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.